Are you searching for a great way to clean your camera sensor and lenses? In this video, I'm taking a look at a camera accessory that I think everyone should own. Hey YouTubers, Christopher here, and on this channel I make weekly gadget and tech reviews, so if you are new here, consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And hey, if you'd like to know more about anything I mentioned in the video, I'll leave a link in the description below. This little gadget is the Eyelead Sensor Cleaning Stick. It's a very efficient and secure way to clean your camera sensor, your lenses, or even your cell phone lens. It has a stiff rubbery gel head that is slightly gummy, which will allow you to effectively remove dust. And the best part, it doesn't leave any traces or marks at all. The Eyelead Sensor Cleaning Stick comes with an aluminum carrying case and a protective cover for the sensor stick head. It also comes with 10 adhesive cleaning papers that will allow you to reuse the sensor stick up to 100 times before it loses its effectiveness. The sensor cleaning stick will work on any interchangeable lens digital camera. All you have to do is remove the lens, set the camera to mirror lockup mode if you're using a DSLR, and once the sensor is exposed, gently work your way around the whole sensor with the gelled side of the stick. After a single pass, use the adhesive paper to remove the dust from the gel head by pressing it onto the paper. You can also use the cleaning stick to clean your camera lens and even your cell phone lens. The best part about the Eyelead Sensor Cleaning Stick is that it can be used over and over again for years without having to repurchase it. If you accidentally drop it on the ground, or if the stickiness disappears over time, all you have to do is wash it with clean tap water, let it air dry, and it's as good as new. You can pick up the Eyelead Sensor Cleaning Stick for $54.99 US or $68.99 up here in Canada. Refills of the cleaning paper sell for $12.99 US or $16.99 Canadian. But I want to know what you think. Would you use the Eyelead Sensor Cleaning Stick to clean your camera sensor and lenses? Let me know down in the comments. If you did go on to enjoy this video, feel free to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more content just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.